Good day all. In this video we will see how to test fire alarm manual call point.
To test the fire alarm call point is in full operational mode. Insert the thin end of the call point key into the test function on the underside of the call point. Whilst in test mode, the glass element will drop. Remove the key and the glass element will reset into the correct position.
What is manual call point? A fire alarm call point, also referred to as a red manual call point or a break glass call point, is essentially a small box mounted on a wall which contains a button or a lever that allows you to manually trigger the fire alarm in a building.